Welcome to TIOMS. Time is on my side, making technology work in your business. This is our e-learning portal where we provide free of charge training videos, quizzes and associated example downloads. If you require further information or assistance with training, please contact us at TIOMS. Thank you. This session is an introduction to the project tracking and reporting template. So here we have the single page one-stop shop for reporting on the condition of your project. We're calling it the tracking and risk register, and you can see that we have an issues register and a risk register there. We have a summary of the overall status and how the project is performing in key areas. We have a schedule there for milestones and how they're performing, and a small section for comments. So the idea of this is to be able to present the status of your project to other managers or a board or whatever it might be, so you can present that status in a very easy to view one-page description. And so we have the project title, project manager, last change date. As usual, we would probably expect this to be a monthly report. In the left-hand corner here, we have the status symbols that you've seen us use before, and these would generally be a judgment call. So you'd say, well, looking at everything, the overall state of the project is good, or there are enough issues for me to say I'll change it to a yellow triangle. So you can see here there's the indicator. A 0 means you've got problems, a 1 means there's some issues, and a 2 means it's all good, and those numbers are changed into the symbols. So are we on schedule? Well, that's usually fairly easy to establish. So we're going to say, yeah, we're on schedule on here. Are we on budget? Well, let's say that we've spent a bit more than we thought we would, so we're going to say, no, we're not on budget. Put a triangle in there. Are our benefits on track? Generally, that would stay green for a while until you've got a reason to believe otherwise. And the resources, how are they getting on? We could say that there's 1 or 2 issues there on resources. In the milestone dates, you may have in your project plan some specific milestones. Let's say planning, we expect to have that finished by the 8th of August, and we're currently got an indicator of green on that, so we'll copy and paste that in there. We might say 9th of September, we want to complete the training, and then maybe we believe there's a few issues on that one. So you can see we're just taking key lines that might be in the main project plan. We'd have that next to us or on another screen, and we'd indicate where those milestones are at the time. And a little bit of discussion, so training, you might say, expect 1 week overdue. Down in the bottom area here, we can just enter general text. This is a text box, so you haven't got to worry about the problems of entering text into a cell. We've used a text box here, and you can extend that if you wish by just dragging it down. On the right hand side here we have a selection of issues. So issues would be a description, training overdue. What do we feel about that? Well, it's a small issue, it's not a big one, so we put a 1 in there. The owner is Fred, and the resolution is add 1 week to training plan, no impact on main project, and so on. And you may start the project, you may have a few risks you need to identify right from the beginning, or some of them may come along as you work through the project, and you can just put them in here in the same way. So we've suddenly decided we've got a risk that the small contractor, dodgy spelling again, insurance issue, indicator, yellow, owner, Bert, mitigation from that, sign off on contractor insurance before they start work. So you can see by the time you've completed that and you just maintain that each month, next month the training issue may still be there, the small contractor issue may have gone away. So we change that back to a 2, and we could put in there insurance confirmed, and you can see then the progression of the way the report works. So that's it, a very, very straightforward tracking and risk register. You can use that for reporting up to senior management. One-stop shop, one page, just shows you where everything is. All of the templates discussed in the TIOMS Deep Project Management Methodology training sessions are available free at www.tioms.com.au. Thank you for trying our TIOMS e-learning. Please contact us if you require help with training in your organisation. Thank you.